Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 2nd February. Let's start. In the year of 1814, on this day the Calcutta Museum was established. In the year of 1862, on this day Samunath Pandit became the first Indian judge of the Calcutta High Court. In the year of 1889, on this day Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, an eminent Gandhian, freedom fighter and a social activist of India was born. She was appointed India's first health minister in 1947 and held the position until 1957. In the year of 1902, on this day, Moturi Satyanarayana, the organizer of the Hindi propaganda movement in South India, was born. He was an Indian independence activist along with Mohandas Gandhi until 1947 and then a member of the Constituent Assembly of India which drafted the Indian Constitution. In the year of 1907, on this day, Mendeleev, the Russian chemist who created the periodic table, passed away. In the year of 1909, on this day, Mohinder Singh Randhawa, Indian historian, botanist, civil servant and promoter of art and culture, was born. In the year of 1915, on this day, Khushwant Singh, India's famous journalist, writer, novelist and historian, was born. His experience in the partition of India in 1947 inspired him to write Train to Pakistan in 1956, which became his most famous novel. In the year of 1952, on this day, India won the first Test cricket match in Madras. In the year of 1953, on this day, the All India Khadi and Blaze Industries Board was formed. In the year of 1960, on this day, Chatursen Sastri, a great novelist of Hindi literature, passed away. In the year of 1982, on this day, Mohanlal Sukhadia, the famous politician and chief minister of Rajasthan, passed away. In the year of 1997, on this day, China and the United Nations, an agreement was made to end the textile trade dispute between America. In the year of 2001, on this day, sale of American parts for Sea King helicopters of the Indian Navy was allowed. In the year of 2008, on this day, President Pratibha Devi Singh Patil flagged off Karnataka's first luxury train Golden Chariot. In the year of 2020, today, Palindrome Day was held every country. Date 02/02/2020 was Palindrome because the US and China include the same number on the front and back. So it is called Palindrome Day. As in the previous 11 November 11/11 was previous Palindrome Day. In the year of 2021, on this day, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the second light combat aircraft Tejas production line of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in Bengaluru ahead of the upcoming Aero India 2021. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited headquarters is situated in Bengaluru. In the year of 2021, on this day, the National Center for Sustainable Coastal Management, an institution under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, had set up a dedicated center for wetland conservation and management in Chennai. In the year of 2021, on this day, Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh launched the Har Ghar Pani Har Ghar Safai mission as a part of the government's campaign to meet the target of 100% drinking water supply to all rural households. The scheme is being funded by the World Bank, the Jal Jeevan Mission of the Government of India, NABARD, and the state budget. In the year of 2021, on this day, the first amputee clinic in India was launched by the Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, a premier medical and research institute in Chandigarh. Today is celebrated as World Wetlands Day. It is observed globally on 2nd February every year. The purpose of this day is to raise awareness about the important role played by wetlands for people and our planet. The day is celebrated to mark the date of the adoption of the Convention on Wetlands on February 2, 1971 in the Iranian city of Ramsar on the coast of the Caspian Sea. So wetlands is called Ramsar sites. World Wetlands Day was first observed in 1997. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.